Today in the RV kitchen, we're putting together a charcuterie board exclusively from Trader Joe's. One-stop shop. We picked up cheeses, meats, condiments, and we'll show you how to put it together. You can find these ingredients in any grocery store. The trick is to have a variety on the board so there is something for everybody. We wanted a balance of meats, cheeses, nuts and fruit, as well as some olives and other toppings. So here's our list. Olive tapenade. We picked a smoked cheese, some dried apricots, some rosemary Marcona almonds. We got a blue cheese, some dry salami. We picked up some pate, some stuffed olives, and some roasted red peppers. We've got Trader Joe's gluten-free crisp breads, and we also picked up a baguette, which we just sliced thinly. We picked up a bottle of La Ferme Julienne Rosé, and I think rosé is a great afternoon wine for something like this. There really isn't much to assembling a charcuterie board, other than making it look really pretty. Remember, we eat as much with our eyes as we do with our taste buds. You'll need a small selection of bowls, forks and knives so eating isn't messy. And besides that, all you'll need are some plates, napkins and wine glasses. A good tip to remember is you don't have to put out very big portions on the board. You can replenish the board as people eat from it and as things run low. This way, your leftovers stay in the fridge and you can make another board to use them up or add them to dishes in the following days. Just refresh what people eat the most of. This is the perfect afternoon snack to invite your friends over with. They can bring a bottle or some iced tea, and it's just a great way to sit around and get to know your neighbors. If you'd like to check out more ideas from the RV Kitchen, you can follow us on social media and find us on the web at rvkitchen.tv. Be safe and enjoy the road less traveled.